Yeah, does it have a name?
The concept?
Yes.
Find one.
Content bolding, content navigation through the content.
Connection.
Connection.
Alright.
Okay, go ahead.
Well, we focused on how we could try to get people to participate more in the website, and also in how we could get the kind of the snowball rolling, so we could get more content into the website. So we started out with maybe thought about how we could make the content more accessible, so you could get people interested in the interview or something with maybe a highlight or something like that, so you can check it out first if you're interested, and then kind of dig deeper into it. And then make it just clear with short text and the name and maybe a picture of it. And the most easiest way to get people to kind of discuss things is through like comments. That's quite obvious. But it will also be interesting how you could maybe control the comments, because sometimes when you have forums, you see like people are sharing links or PDFs or some content, and it's not very accessible. Like, for example, you read like, hey, check this link out, and there's nothing more. They don't say what the link is and stuff like that. So maybe you can control that a bit more through kind of sources comment system in a way. So you would have maybe the name of the link, what the link is, short description or something like that. Then you have a more kind of controlled flow of choosing where you want to go next. So it would create this kind of network, which again creates a network, which is quite interesting. We also had this idea of live discussion, maybe after the lecture or something like that. People could discuss the lecture live on the internet, like as a something like that. So that's basically it.
How does that work? Is that text or audio or?
I think it should be best if it's text.
Like chat, live chat.
Yeah.
During the discussion, I think, and then the comments are popping up during the presentation. Right? So,
Or shortly after.
so it's like discussion and while the person is presenting it.
Yeah, it could work as well.
Yeah, at the same time. Yeah.
Why not?
I think so. Okay. Who wants to highlight a particularly strong point of this? Who has seen one? No one?
The video highlights.
The video highlights. Yeah? Why do you like that?
You don't have to start watching from the beginning. You can just see.
Right. Good. In a way, that's a response to the thing that should be worked on in the first one, isn't it? To have a highlight and not have to go through the whole thing, beginning to end. Anything that could be worked on to make it really, to make it much stronger? Anyone?
Well, why people would go chatting? Because on Facebook you chat because you are doing other stuff. But I'm not sure people will really go on the Sources&Source website, spend 2 hours on it and chat.
It's just, I don't know, it just came from the discussion, but we really want to get kind of, we're trying to focus on discussion. Somehow we could encourage that. So it just came as a continuum of that. So maybe you could chat live. Why not? But
because I feel like sometimes the commentaries and the comments they sometimes tend to be more narcissistic. You just say whatever you have to say and then just log out. But if you have a live chat, you have actually like a group where you can actually discuss, and then ultimately you can get something that you never expected during the lecture, or as we just talk about it. Maybe you can find different solutions.
Yeah. So how that chat actually works? That could be something to elaborate a bit
I guess it doesn't
more.
have to be like live. Like like during the lecture, maybe like you choose like specific date or time after the lecture, and whoever is like, interested in joining to talk about the lecture.
Just with the people that are online at the moment, because if you go back to the website studying, making research on it, and they're online, you can share also something that it's more than what there is in the website. But usually when you make research, you jump from one place to another, and you can share
Yeah.
this also.
The whole point must be to get, it's supposed to make resources easy to access. That's what we want. We want, like, for example, I was talking about, I've been looking for leather in the city for 3 weeks now, and I haven't found anything yet. It would be easy if you could go to the site, and you have, like, I don't know, you type leather or something, and you have, like, a whole discussion on leather. Where can you get it, or where's the cheapest?
I agree with that. I just have my doubt of the live chat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
So the live chat is something perhaps to work on a bit more. Perhaps look at different ways in which that happens now on websites or through the internet anyway.
Maybe in the future when there's people from who hear about the source program, as we all go home and tell people that log in to watch the videos as they're projected live, then maybe it becomes interesting as there's more people on the website, watching the video live. Maybe not next year, but in 5 years. It's something that can be very interesting to think about in the future.
Because the technology's been used when you like the stream, like for example, like soccer, like there's like a little comment box. So like as you watch, people just comment like what players are playing.
It's like it's like Twitter, isn't it?
Yeah. So, like,
Could be a Twitter stream as well. So there's different ways to do it, but that needs to be looked at. Okay.
Could also take the form of a Q&A after the lecture with the lecturer that has kind of a broader audience than the lecture on itself only.
Yes.
And maybe interesting because I noticed that the audience, there are good questions asked, but you're often very polite to the lecturer. I heard that people had really feelings of anger towards the lecturer of last week, which I think is really interesting, especially if that's expressed at that time right away. Saying, I don't agree with you at all, and then you get interesting stuff going on. But maybe I recognize that it's a bit difficult to do that in the same room at the same time, and this could make it easier. And more.
So that could be a nice particular situation to think about. How can we voice that anger or other strong emotions perhaps that relate to such a lecture?